we have a leak in the wall here because I've checked the air handler, I've checked the outdoor unit, and what I'm doing now is I'm using my battery powered H10, and it's somewhere, like I said, it's somewhere in the wall. But what I'm doing here is I'm going, hear it speed up? So somewhere in this wall, now it may be at the top up there. It may be up at the top of the wall, but watch when I get back down here again. Listen for it speeding up. You hear it speeding up? And now that's at the bottom of the baseboard, right at the concrete and you know, right there at the bottom. So you don't think that H10 works? Just, you can listen to it speed up. There you go. The H10 at work. Well, it's around right here somewhere. Because we cut one up here, cut a hole up here, and well, it's going off right there too, but it's really going off right around here. So alright, so we checked outside at the unit, and if you look, see it blowing off there? Whee! It's peeing! Look, it's peeing!
That's a big leak.
Yeah, it's peeing. Alrighty then. We're gonna braid that up. So we just got through fixing the leak outside, and I still think there's a leak in the wall. And with it open up, you see, you hear it speeding up. That tells me still got a leak somewhere. But the homeowners kind of said, well, let's just see how good that leak you fixed worked. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna leave it. But so. There you go. That's why we didn't go any further with the leak in the wall.